we have seen so many self-help groups being engaged in training programs. They take trainings of several manufacturing of several products, manufacturing of food items, and this after doing this, they skip on to some other training. I mean, they train on certain products, but it is not taken to the logical conclusion that is training, manufacturing, marketing, and going to the last end point, to the consumer. So the thing what happens is the training, after one training they tend to take another training, after another training, I mean the training program goes on. But here what behind this, the motive behind this program is once they get trained, once they have the training, once they have the finished product, they should even have a market for it. And for this market, give them a market, the SARAS program is held by the state government, it is supported by the central government, and the ratio is of 60-40. The central government sponsors, the state government sponsors, and we give the local artisans, the local women a platform, the self-help groups a platform to display their products, and also at the same time to encourage, to give them boost, to empower them, to give them the skill of competitive market, to be there in the market and to sell their products well. Also, they come face to face with the other stakeholders, with the other artisans, with other self-help groups from various other states who also participate. We have nearly 200 groups participating in this fair. Last time we had in Panjim, and the amount of business the Panjim self-help groups and the local artisans done, there was more than 1 crore 8 lakhs, and that is a big amount as regard to the self-help groups and their products. So this shows the support, the amount of support they get from the department. This shows the amount of support they get from the rural public, from the local public, the public in the cities who visit these fairs, who visit these exhibitions. And this gives boost, this gives confidence to the self-help groups to get more engaged, to engage themselves in such fairs, and it helps them.